Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine, thank you very much. How to make money, the AI. Uh, Perfectly way to make money with AI, artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence, how to make money, lot of way, the Upwork and freelancer marketplace, Upwork and Fiverr marketplace and social media, lot of marketplace, your individually marketplace, your own country, your own market platform, how to make money, earn for online marketplace, practical way to make money with AI, the artificial intelligence. Just some writing, the artificial intelligence AI has the recipe how to we live and do your business. AI, artificial intelligence, the processing in information by matching to platform higher level tasks and solve problem has become an integral part of our daily level, the including virtual assistant and your smartphone and the recommending system and your communication of the platform according the IBM. The 35% composition are the already using the power of AI, that means artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence in drove is the system and grow one of the most complement domesticating of the potential of artificial intelligence AI in our digital age, and as like the very important the example the worldwide the Google ownership, the chat gpt is the best article writing and the article intelligent, and the chat gpt using very system 3.54 etc etc. I coming the next video the chat gtp my channel by open AI in our password mode and adventure in legal revelation, communication, content generation, and information the related. The growing diversity of the artificial intelligence AI technology has created and offering the opportunity for individual and business to leveling if our the financial gain that is them and process of unique charge in AI into the platform of side gigs and full-time variants. There are article that explore the practical way to make money using AI. The intelligence on our business looking important. There are opportunity table the condition. The how to AI tools help in the make monies. How to make money with AI as a business. How to make money with AI as an individual, how much can you earn an AI, the how it tools can help you make monies. AI, how to tools help can make money, the generative and the AI tools can product website content, social media, image or business outlines, and in consideration probability the tools available can be labeled in different stories, making that associate to solve and small strategy, medium size and campaign, the large entertainment, all in including. For example, JPEG and uh, Jasper and EAI writing tools and creating controls including the social media post, a copy paste, product, copywriting, by important short put and JPEGs can create an article and this 30 seconds solve your time and writing can be quick. The Dell E, and this is the how to make money with AI as your business. JPR create demo. How to make money with AI as their business. The Sucking as a business take time, effort, and investment in AI, artificial intelligence tools that can identify the external opportunity, optimize optional process, and each customer experience. AI can evaluation how business operator, including automatic broker stakes and providing values inside the string in make. In the selection, will the experience how business can label AI in the AI powered marketing and advertising. The AI powered marketing and advertising. How to this is the AI marketing tools and unlock business partner. AI ensure the customer service. AI drive product and development and professionals. AI supplement and the opportunity to optimize. AI establish an e-commerce platform. AI based in analytics service. How to make money online with AI and individual and business development, selling and application AI, creating AI creator an opportunity and the online course, the development and AI microfiber, AI generate and create an output, and the consolation, the leveling affiliate marketing. The with AI individual create and full term there are affiliate marketing, make it more process and editing automatic process boost earn and statement. That is the ethical process is AI tools, article tools recommending can help matching. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, you like, comment, share.